Yes, so are you aware that there is the best time to actually publish or post your video on YouTube to go viral and get more views? Oh yes. You see, the reason you are not getting the views that you deserve is that you just post your video anytime, anyhow. But hey, I am here this time around to take you through the tutorials on how to actually get to find out and know the best time, the very best time to upload your video on YouTube to go viral and to get more views for your video. Now, before I dive into that, in fact, if this is your first time visiting my channel, yes, that's Ata Smart Tutorials. Welcome to my world of pure tutorials on how to grow a YouTube channel from start till it becomes successful. So if you are someone who finishes editing your video and then right away you upload it on YouTube, please, after watching this particular video, you're actually going to stop that one right now. All right, yes, because I'm going to take you through on how to find out the best time to upload your video on YouTube to actually get more views and more engagement. Now, straight away, let us get into the serious business for the day. Great. So first of all, you're going to open your YouTube Analytics. All right. Yes. So we are going to YouTube Analytics. That's your YouTube studio, right? I'm going to show you how to get to know the best time. All right. And that is what a lot of the big YouTubers have actually been, using to get the view that they're having now. All right. Great. So now let's go to YouTube Analytics. All right. So you search for YouTubestudio.com. It's actually going to open for you. And now we are on our homepage. Now you are on your YouTube dashboard. Okay, so that's it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use this channel for that. Okay, so let's quickly get to the analytics section. You get to the analytics. Okay, we wait patiently for it to load, and then when it loads, you see you have overview, you have content, and then audience, revenue, and inspiration. Right, so what we're going to straight away, we're going to the audience section. Okay, right, so now that we are the audience section, let's scroll down. There are a number of sections over here, but this is exactly where we actually going to do everything. All the magic is actually seen over here. So now, for those who have just started their YouTube channel, you may not be able to have access to when your viewers are actually on YouTube, this particular data or this particular analytics. Okay, and so if you don't have that, don't worry, within some few posts, but you keep uploading your videos, you will definitely have access to that. Okay, so now let me zoom for you to actually see it very, very well. Okay, so now this is exactly how it's going to be like on your screen, saying that when viewers or when your viewers are on YouTube. So this is the data you are going to base on. You see, when you check this one critically, you see that we have 12 o'clock a.m. That's all the days are also listed over here, Sunday to Saturday, and then there are some bars down each of the days. Right now, so what you're going to do is, you see some of these bars are having deep violet color, the other ones are also having light, right? Others are also lighter, right? So now what it means is that where it shows lighter, that means your viewers or your subscribers are not actually on online or on YouTube at that particular time. Now what you're going to do is just hover the mouse pointer on any of. You see, when we hover it over here, it says at exactly Sunday 1 a.m. few of your viewers are on YouTube. So when you publish your video at that particular time, you're actually not going to get a lot of people to watch your video for you. That is one thing. Now let's get to the light one. So it says 4 a.m. that's early in the morning, Sundays. Very few of your viewers are on YouTube. All right, and then let's get to 6 o'clock a.m. thereabouts. Okay, so 6 o'clock a.m. few of your viewers are on YouTube. Now let's get down to around 10. So at 10 a.m. it says that some of your viewers are on YouTube. You see, when getting to 10, you see it's getting somehow, deeper. The violet color is getting deeper. So 12 p.m. on Sundays, some of your viewers are on YouTube. Same, 12 p.m., 1 p.m., some of your viewers are on YouTube. But when it gets you after 1 p.m., getting to the 2 p.m., see, many of your viewers are on YouTube. You get that? Many of your viewers. So if you're someone who would want to publish your video and go viral to get more views, more engagement on your video, you would definitely need to publish at this particular time from 2. Now let's continue to check downwards. So 4 o'clock, many of your viewers are still on YouTube. That's also good for you to post at 5. Still many of your viewers. And then through to 7 p.m. Getting to, let's say, 9 p.m. many of your viewers are still on YouTube. Now when you get to from 10 going down there, you see from 11 p.m. it says few of your viewers are on YouTube. That means for this my particular channel, many of my viewers are on YouTube starting from 3 p.m. through to 9 o'clock p.m. So if I want to get more views, more engagement, I want to get the attention of my viewers, of my YouTube subscribers, I should be able to publish a video within 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. So that is the trick here. A lot of people just post at any time. So imagine posting around this time, that is around 4 in the morning on Sundays. You can imagine what is actually going to happen. Your video will be there and no one will be watching. Yes, because at that time your subscribers and your viewers are not online. This is a bonus from YouTube. YouTube is actually helping you to actually get to find out and know when your viewers are actually online. All right, so now let's go on to Monday. Same thing applies to Monday from 1 a.m. through to, let's say, around 9 a.m. Few of your viewers are actually on YouTube, so it's not advisable to be publishing or to be posting your video at that particular time. Now let's get to 10 a.m. It says some of your viewers are on YouTube. That means some of them, not many, some of them. Now but when you check around this side, around 12 o'clock p.m. it says many of your viewers are on YouTube on Mondays 12 o'clock p.m. So that's very, very important. But right after 12, that means they all go offline. Most of them go offline. So you see at 1 p.m. on the same Monday, it says some of your viewers are on YouTube. So when you want to get the attention of your viewers in the afternoon, then you should prioritize publishing around the 12 o'clock p.m. That's 12 noon. I think there's another around here. Yes, around 3 o'clock p.m. many of your viewers have actually come online once again. So you see the trick here. At exactly 12, many of them were online on YouTube, but from 1 to get to 2, they went offline. Many of them went offline, leaving few or some of them. But at around 3 p.m. many of your viewers also came back online once again on YouTube. So if you want to be publishing to get more views on Monday, this is exactly what you need to do. Now right after the 3 p.m. getting to 4, some of them. Now getting to 5, let's check from 5 p.m. some of them still, but exactly 6, many of them still come back online. You understand? So that is exactly how it works. So don't just work on your video and publish your video. No, it's not actually going to help you. But please actually and actively take this into active consideration. Whenever you want to publish a video, please check the analytics section of your channel using your Chrome browser or any supporting browser that can get you all the details of your YouTube studio. All right, so now same all of them, so you can use same strategy to actually cross-check from all the days that are having many of your viewers online. Now when you check how dark or deep the colors or the violet are, now on Tuesday at exactly 8 p.m. you see very many of your viewers are on YouTube. So I think it's only on Tuesdays and is that I have many of my viewers actively on YouTube. Let's check over here. So on Saturday 8 p.m. too, many of them, that is very many. The many has been qualified with very. All right, that means a lot of them are on YouTube at that time. And then 7 p.m. 8 p.m. too, very many. But when it gets to 9 p.m. it reduces to become many of your viewers. You understand? So a lot of views on Saturdays For this my channel, the strategy is to publish the video around 7 p.m. That is when very many of my viewers are on YouTube, and then 8 p.m. So within 7 and 8 p.m. when I publish a video, I am actually going to get a lot of views, a lot of engagement on YouTube, because many or very many of my subscribers are actually on YouTube or online at that particular time. Same applies to Tuesdays, but the Tuesdays is only around 8 p.m. That is when very many of my viewers are on YouTube. So if I want to get more views on Tuesdays, that is exactly when I'm supposed to be publishing. The rest of them are having many. For example, Monday, 12 p.m., many of your viewers are on YouTube. It's not that bad. You can publish at that time. But please, where they are having the lights, colors, do not be publishing. For example, from when you check the analytics from for this particular channel, you see from 12 a.m. getting to around let's say 9 a.m. few of the subscribers or few of the viewers are actually online, and I think it cuts across from Sunday to Saturday, but they become active actually from 10 in the morning, where some get online, and then when it gets to evening thereabout, you see many of them actually come online. So that is exactly where I bring today's tutorial to an end. I'm sure you've actually learned a lot, and I'm sure you've actually you're actually going to put it into active. Please do well to practice it, and it's going to help you a lot to be able to grow your YouTube channel. Wherever you find yourself, you'll be able to grow your YouTube channel with this trick. This one, not everybody is going to actually tell you, but that is the secret of the big YouTubers. They know when to publish their videos, when to post their videos, and all that. So please, advice to you is that do not just be publishing at any time at all. No, be strategic enough. Whenever you want to publish a video, come over here to your YouTube analytics, check when your subscribers are online, and then you actually publish your video or post your video at that particular time, and it is actually going to work for you. All right, so if this one has worked for you, let me see at the comment section. If you check at your YouTube studio and you're able to see that, let me also see it at the comment section, so that it also throws a signal to other people that hey, you have been successful in that. So that is it. If you want to be receiving more of these tutorials on my channel over here, do well to subscribe to this channel, be part of this wonderful family, as I give you tutorials on how to grow your YouTube channel from start till it becomes successful. Thank you very much. If you have any challenges too, put it in the comment section over here, and I'll be waiting to attend to you. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.